Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Basically, I'm academic helper. I can do MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, and MS Excel. Assignment courses, tuition courses, Cengage courses, many more universities courses. If you want my services, you can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in the description of this video. Otherwise, you can contact my WhatsApp number. Otherwise, you can contact for full course deal to my WhatsApp number and Gmail given in the description. Today our project is Access 2.22.1 Skills Approach Chapter 2 Skill Review 2.1 Skill Review 2.1. We covered these skills in this project. I highlighted and you can see. So move to the step number 1, in which he says open the start file. Open the file and start it. If the database open open the protected view and I click the enable editing and manage the top. Okay, so I manage it. The file name will be named automatically, include your name, change the project file and extracted your instructor. So our last name and first name already here. Create a table datasheet view to store vendor company data. Open create tab and click. Open and create tab and click table. Then you are now in datasheet for a new table. Notice success created a new field name, ID, auto number, data types. So ID field is already a auto number. Data type. Now save the table. Press Ctrl S. The save as the dialog type. Table name is Windows, so we select it. Table name Windows. Click OK, so this step is completed. Create the next field by typing Amazon cell. Click to that heading, so we select this Amazon and click to edit. Amazon. Then it says press tab. Create another typing www.amazon.com. Then it says press tab. Simply go here, design. Okay, www.amazon.com. change it to short text, and now we change www.amazon.com. Click press tag. So he says create another new field by typing www. So he says it's not. So we only press here W and change that name by here www.amazon.com. Okay, so we go to again datasheet view. Change its tables. Change the name of tables. And we go to the datasheet view. Select the field and we use this www.amazon.com and this here, and also use this table.com use in row 2, because we not put any another source in field name as a field name. So our step number 6 is completed by this. Now we move to our step number 7. Click ID field. On the table, select name and caption. Select name box, window ID. And change the caption box name window ID. And repeated this with field 1 as company name. Name it with company name, and caption is company name. Repeat also field 2, website, and caption is website. So after this, our step number 7 is completed. Now we move to our next step. Click the cell under earth, underneath, click to add on the table field tab, add sheet group, click more field, scroll down and select address. Okay. On the table fields, add and lead group. Scroll down, set address. And step number 9, he says close the table. So we close this table. In the navigation pane, double click on employee table on open it data sheet view. So double click on employee table, open it in data sheet view. Click anywhere email column. So we click anywhere in email column. Then on the table field formatting, expand the data type, select it, OK. Data type is a hyperlink. So step 10 is completed by this. If you want, I'm doing a few steps of this assignment in this video. If you want complete solution of this assignment, you can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in the description. If you want complete course deal, you can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share video link with your friend. I can perform with plus grades for you. Bye.